Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to go through today is the start of activity 311, inputs and outputs. In this activity, what I need you to do is use the debugger window to be able to access all of the motors and sensors, inputs and outputs that you need to take observations of. In your classroom, you're going to go into activity 311, inputs, outputs, and this is where you'll be recording things like what direction the motor turns with different settings and what happens to speed with different settings, etc. All right. So as always, we're going to click search. We're going to type in Rob to open up RobotC. And once RobotC is opened, we're going to click to remove this information page. And go ahead and open back up your from your POE folder. My documents POE should be in the Unit 3 folder, and it should be Activity 311, which has your motors and sensors already set up. So to get the debugger window, you actually have to physically attach your motor controller to your computer using the orange cable, USB cable. Once you've done that, I want you to go Robot, and I want you to do Compile and Download Program. If you get no communication link to the device, that means that there is a problem with your connection. Mine appears to be connected, but it says no communication device. So what I have to do is troubleshoot that issue. And usually the best thing to do for that is to shut everything down, unplug everything, and plug it back in, and turn it back on. And let's see, I don't think that that's actually going to work, but let's see. Yep, there you go. That's a good sign. So once you have done that, my battery is very low. That's going to be an issue, so I'll have to replace that. That's what that message means. But once you've done that, you should be able to get the debugger windows down here. But you have to download to the computer first. Then if you go Robot, Debugger Windows, you're going to want to make sure motors and sensors are checked. Check off motors, check off sensors. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to slowly walk through each of these things and set values like 127. And what you'll notice is that the motor will start moving. Change it to 0, try negative 127, etc. Now you don't hear my motor right now because my battery is dead, but that's all there is to it. Same thing with the sensors. When I sometimes will need to click start to get things to actually go, and if I cover up the line follower, you can see it drops down to 840s. If I uncover it, it's over 900. All right. Same thing with potentiometer. If I spin the potentiometer, you can see the values of it changing. All right. There you go. Thank you as always, and you know what to do. Like your boy if you like the content. Have a good day. Follow as you need to.